Here's Fling AI app character and roleplay. So I created an account. I just created like a guest account, and here is the app. You can see like this is basically a normal AI chatbot app. Here you can see messages. You can delete messages. You can see audio version. You can generate messages for yourself. Then you can bring gifts. So you can just do that. And that's basically the idea in there. So then you can also try to do like an audio call. Then you can ask a photo, you can ask a selfie, but that's you're getting for coins. And you can get coins by if you subscribe weekly, you can get 100 coins for free per week. And then you just have it like that. There is daily reward which you can just claim. There is a pro subscription if you wanna. Again, that's just what you have. Then you have all of these bots. Then you have your chats. You can swipe and delete chats. There is regular and there is role play. So you can start a new scenario. So this is something new. And then there is your account chat language. You can change it. App language, send feedback. You can delete all chats or delete an account, and then you can just log out. So in a nutshell, that's the app. They don't have any kind of referral program, anything to get free coins. You can just get daily rewards if you just check in every day. You can get free coins. But anyhow, that's the idea of the app. You can just see it in here. Doesn't have that many ratings. I don't know how trusted is that. Can't log in, mixed, not bad, not great, completely useless, misleading. So that's basically the idea. So yeah, there you have it.